Now that we've downloaded and installed Excel 2021 onto our PC, it's time for us to launch the application for the first time. And the way that you do this really does depend on the operating system that you're using. So for me, I'm using Microsoft's latest version, which is Windows 11. But I'm going to hazard a guess that most people who are watching this course are going to probably be using an older version, so possibly Windows 10, maybe even something older. Now, from what I recall from Windows 10, pretty much everything I'm going to show you when it comes to launching applications is pretty much the same. So the first place that we need to go to here is we need to open up the Start menu. And the Start menu you'll find down on the taskbar, and it's this Windows icon just here. If you're using Windows 10, you should have something on the taskbar which looks similar to this. When you hover over it, you're going to get that little screen tip pop up that says Start. So you can click to pop that menu up, or alternatively, if you're into your keyboard shortcuts, you can press the Windows logo key on your keyboard. Now for me, this pops open the Start menu. And what do I have on this Start menu? Well, at the top I have a search bar, which is going to allow me to search through all of the applications and files that I have on my PC. Underneath that, I have some pinned applications. So these might be applications that I use all the time. Now, if you can't find Excel in this pinned area, we have an All Apps button, which is going to take us into the full list of applications we have available to us. And everything in here is organized in alphabetical order. So I could scroll through to find Excel, or alternatively, I can use the search bar at the top, simply type in Excel, and the best match is the Excel application. One click, and it's going to let me launch the app. Now, if Excel is going to be one of the applications that you're using on a regular basis, so maybe you go into Excel every single day, then I would definitely advise you to pin Excel either to your taskbar or to your Start menu. Now notice that once I have Excel open, if I look down in my taskbar, I can see the application on the end here. So if I want to pin it to this taskbar permanently so it's available like these other icons, I can simply right-click my mouse and choose the Pin to Taskbar option. Now, even when I close Excel down, that icon is going to remain on the taskbar, and I can simply click to relaunch Excel. Another thing that I can do, again from the Start menu, so let's press the Windows key to pop that back up again, is I could pin it to this pinned area at the top. So once again, I'm going to jump into All Apps. Let's search for Excel. This time I'm going to right click and I'm going to say Pin to Start. So now that's going to pin it to that Start menu. And if you can't see it in this list, if you scroll down, you might find that it's right at the bottom. And of course, we can reorganize our pinned icons and applications. So if I want Excel to be further up this list, I can click and then just drag it into the position that I want it to be in. So let's put this right at the start. And then it makes it very simple for me to click Excel and launch the application from here.